500 joules, 500 volts.
Volt, correct. Now try second also.
Ten mu coulombs.
10
Mu coulomb.
new coulomb.
Sorry, mu joules.
New means microjoules you are telling, no?
Yeah.
So Q into V is 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 6 into 4, 10 into 10 raised to minus 6 joule, or we can say 10 microjoules. Correct. Third one.
Ten volts.
5 upon 0.5 equal to 10 volts. Yes. Fourth one.
Three 360 volts.
Correct. 360 volt. Correct. Fifth one. See whether you can manage.
Hmm. Sir, is it zero?
Electric field or potential?
Intensity.
Intensity will be 0 because it lies inside that charge surface. No?
Yeah, sir. I didn't get the potential.
Potential to direct formula. Potential, first we'll write in word. When wire is bent in the form of circle. See, charge will be giving intensity outward like this. So there can't be anything inside. Therefore, point is
2.25 into 10 raised to 7 volts.
having zero intensity. And V is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, 9 into 10 raised to 9. 250 micro is minus 6, R 10 raised to minus 1. 25 into 9 is 225, 10 raised to minus 6, and 9 is 10 raised to 3 plus 1. So 10 raised to 4 into 10 raised to 1. That will become 225 into 10 raised to 5. So 2.25 into 10 raised to 7 volt. Solve.
Hmm.
Done?
Yeah, sir.
Come to 6. Completed?
2 minutes, sir. It is 0.09 volts. At A.
0.09 volt at
At
A.
A.
Okay, correct. Correct. It is matching.
And potential at B is 0.045 volts.
Okay. Potential at A you are getting as 0.45 volt.
I got 0.09.
Charge is in microcoulomb. So it was 10 raised to minus 6 2 times into 10 raised to minus 6. 4 plus 1 5 and minus 6 is 1. So 0.9 first one. Potential at B
0.45.
You could have taken directly also. V upon V is R2 by R1. So by
Yeah.
calculation also you got this much. Then they are telling work done in moving same amount of negative charge from A to B. Work done to move the charge from A to B. If it is negative, then VA minus VB upon Q. VA is 0.9, VB is 0.45, and charge is 10 into 10 raised to minus 12. So we'll get this is equal to 0.45 upon 10 raised to minus 11. That will become 0.45 into 10 raised to plus 11. That is 4.5 into 10 raised to 12 joules. Okay. See, had it been positive charge, then it will come VB minus VA. For negative charge moving from A to B is VA minus VB. If positive, then VB minus VA. So you have to be careful.
Yeah, sir. So seventh one.
Seventh one now. Yes. First you read. If you feel you can do, tell me. Otherwise, I will do.
Hmm. So the potential at C is 1.08 into 10 raised to 5 volts.
Correct. Correct.
Hmm.
And then they want
A and B also.
A and B also.
Sir, at D it is 0.
At A it is 0 or at B?
So they have A is 8. They have asked for C and D.
Correct. At D
At
what
D,
you're getting? 0. Okay.
yeah.
It's matching. It's given 0.
Yeah. Sir, I'm not getting the last one.
How much work will be done in taking 0.02 microcoulomb of charge from D to C? D to C. Charge of how many microcoulomb?
0.2.
What is potential at D?
At it 0.
0. And potential at C?
0.
No. C is 1.08 into
Sorry,
10 raised to
C is 1.0.
into 10 raised to 5, no?
Yeah.
So when you are moving from D to C, then work done to move the charge from D to C is potential between C and D.
Yeah.
Therefore, it will be VC 1.08 into 10 raised to 5 minus 0 into charge Q 0.02 microcoulomb. So into 10 raised to minus 6. 1.08 into 10 raised to 5 into 2 into 10 raised to minus 8. So 2.16 into 10 raised to minus 3 joule. This answer.
Yeah, sir.
Then
Yeah, the eighth one.
no, wait. Now I'm doing sum number 18 for you. Then 8 to 17 you try. Many you will not get, that I will explain, but maximum you will get. 18. How much kinetic energy is gained by electron initially at rest when it is moving through potential of 1000 volt? 1000 volt. Kinetic energy acquired by charge is QV. Charge is electron, so 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. Voltage is 10 raised to 3. 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 16 joule. This is the answer.
Yes.
Then come to 23rd. The mutual electric potential energy between two protons in uranium. Potential energy is denoted by U. Is 2.4 into 10 raised to 5 electron volt. Convert this into joule. 1 electron volt is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 joule. What will be the distance between proton? That means R. Charge of proton, we know it is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. So potential energy between two proton is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon charge of two proton upon distance. That is 2.4 into 1.6 into 10 raised to 5 into 10 raised to minus 19, 9 into 10 raised to 9, 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19, 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 upon R. 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 you can cancel from both sides. So this will give R equals to 9 into 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 upon 2.4 into 10 raised to 5. 8 into 2, 8 into 3, 3 into 3. So R equals to 6 into 10 raised to minus of 19 and 5 minus 24. 10 raised to minus 24. Where is the sum which I did? 23rd I did, no?
Hmm.
No, I did, I think 20th I did, 20th.
Yeah.
6 into 10 raised to minus 15. Uh, 10 raised to minus 15 they are saying.
Hmm.
1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. So I think this might be printed minus 5. If
Yeah.
it is minus 5, then it will be perfect. Minus 14. Minus 4 meter. Minus 14 meter. See, here I made mistake. Huh? 9 into 10 raised to 9 I didn't wrote here.
Yeah, sir.
So this is correct. It is plus 5 only.
Hmm.
So it will come minus 15. Because minus 19 plus 9 is minus 10, minus 10 and minus 5 is minus 15.
Yeah, sir.
After this, we'll do 23 and 24.
Yeah, sir.
Shall I clear this?
Yeah, sir.
23. Three equal charges. Q1 equal to 5 microcoulomb, Q2 also 5 microcoulomb, Q3 also 5 microcoulomb, are placed at three vertices of equilateral triangle of side 5 centimeter. Find the potential energy of system. What is potential energy of system? Three charges. So 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. All distances are same. R also I'm taking common. So it will be Q1, Q2 plus Q1, Q3 plus Q2, Q3 because distance is common. Same I took outside.
Yeah, sir.
9 into 10 raised to 9 upon R 5 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. Q1, Q2 is 5 into 5 into 10 raised to minus 12. All are same charge. 5 into 5 into 10 raised to minus 12. 5 into 5 into 10 raised to minus 12. So 9 upon 5 will become 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 11. 25, 25, 25 will become 75 into 10 raised to minus 12. 18 into 5 is 90, carry 9. 18 into 7, 126 plus 9, 134. 18 into 9, 135 into after one digit decimal into 10 raised to minus of minus 6 minus 6. 5 microcoulomb electrostatic potential energy is how much? So 10 raised to microcoulomb 1 upon 4 pi epsilon divided by R Q1 Q2 Q2 Q3. 10 raised to minus 12, this is 11. So 10 raised to minus 1, that becomes 13.5 joule. Followed?
Yes.
13.5. So mostly we'll see college, the exam questions are simpler than what they have given.
Yes.
तो पेरेंट का नंबर दो, केरकर का, साहिल केरकर। हाँ व्हाट्सएप पे, हाँ भेज दो चलो।
Done, sir.
Completed.
Yeah.
24th, take 2 minutes, try, see whether you can manage.
Hmm.
Did you get 2.25 joules?
I solved one part of the question. I'm on the second part.
See, just see what I did. Same way you have done. Initial formula, final formula, then increases final minus initial, then I took common. That will save the time. No need to find individual.
Yeah, sir. Done, sir.
Okay. Come to sum number 34. Electric potential due to hollow charge metallic sphere of radius 12 centimeter at a distance of 6 centimeter from the center is 100. Distance of 6 centimeter means if R is 6 centimeter and capital R is 12 centimeter, that means R is less than capital R. So can I say point lies inside?
Yeah, sir.
Potential at any point inside is same as potential on the surface. Therefore, potential V at distance of 6 centimeter will be same as that at a point distance 6 from the center is 100. Calculate the potential on the surface. Potential at 6 will be same as potential on the surface, which is 100 volt. Clear? Just copy first part, then we'll see second. Potential anywhere inside is same as that on the surface.
Done, sir.
Next is point at 20 centimeter from the center. Is outside or inside?
Outside.
Outside. Point at distance of 20 centimeter from center. Here R is greater than capital R. Therefore, V is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon q by small r. So this is that point P. And V on the surface formula is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon q by capital R. Therefore, V at any point P to that of surface will become capital R upon small r. Surface we got how much? 100, correct? What is radius given?
12.
12, and this is 20. So V at that point is 100 into 12 upon 20. 20 into 5 equal to 60 volt.
Done, sir.
36. 8 charge drop of water. 1, 2, 3, 8. Of radius 1 millimeter. Having charge of 10 raised to minus 10 coulomb. combines to form a big drop. Determine potential of the bigger drop. See, whenever droplets combine to form drop, always first find relation between their radius. Always, whenever. So volume of, I'm doing one generalized formula. And droplets, then in final answer, n ka jagah pe I will put 8. Volume of n droplet equal to volume of one big drop. So that means n times 4 by 3 pi r cube is 4 by 3 pi capital R cube. So n raised to 1 by 3 into small r is capital R. Now potential of smaller drop is 1 upon 4 pi q on one small drop upon its radius. And on larger drop, it is 1 upon 4 pi total charge q upon capital R. Copy this much. All drops are spherical shape. Therefore, formula of potential on the sphere 1 upon 4 pi epsilon q by small r for smaller one, q by capital R for larger one.
Done, sir. Okay.
So now potential of small to large will be radius of large upon radius of small, because they are inversely proportional, into charge of smaller one upon charge on the larger. So potential of larger will be potential of small into q by q into r by r. How much is q? It is n times total q, because all this q will add, and n charge droplet will become nq when it forms single bigger drop. What small r we got as, or capital R we got as n raised to 1 by 3 into capital R.
Yeah.
So now when you simplify this, q will get cancelled. This q cancel. So it will be voltage on small. RR will get cancelled. N raised to 1 upon n raised to 1 by 3. So can I say n raised to 2 by 3?
Yeah, sir.
So henceforth will not derive. Directly will write V of larger drop is n raised to 2 by 3 of smaller droplet. Now I can say therefore it is 8 raised to 2 by 3 in this case.
Yeah, sir.
And V of small is 1 upon 4 pi q by r. This is 2 raised to 3 raised to 2 by 3.
Yeah, sir.
9 into 10 raised to 9. Charge is 10 raised to minus 10. and radius was 1 millimeter, 10 raised to minus 3. 3 will get cancelled. So 2 square is 4 into 9 into 10 raised to 9 and 10 minus 1 plus 3 is plus 2. So final answer 3600 volt. Copy. So whenever droplet becomes drop, I have memorized V of larger is n raised to 2 by 3, V of smaller.
Answer.
Next one. 27 droplet identical are charged to same potential. That means each smaller is 10 volt. What will be the potential if all the droplets combine to form bigger drop? So V of large is n raised to 2 by 3, V of small. 27 raised to 2 by 3 into 10. So 3 raised to 3, 2 by 3 into 10 equals to 3 square into 10, 90 volt.
Answer.
Next one, 38. हाँ ठीक है ठीक। हाँ अभी एक 5 मिनट फ्री होगा, मैं आपको करता हूँ। ओके। Calculate the voltage needed to balance an oil drop. Voltage needed to balance oil drop between the plates of capacitor which are 5 millimeter apart. The mass of drop is given, G is given, voltage needed to balance. It is carrying charge of 10 electron. So to balance this, I should create electrical force in upward direction. Hello?
Yes, sir.
To balance charged drop, weight must be balanced by electric force. That is mg should be equal to QE. And E is nothing but potential difference between two plates into distance between two plates. So V will be mgd upon charge Q into V. Charge Q. Mass is 3 into 10 raised to minus 16. G is 10. 5 into 10 raised to minus 3. And charge is 10 electrons. So 10 into 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. 10 into 10 raised to minus 19 is minus 18. You can cancel with this. So 3 into 5, 15 upon 1.6 into 10. That is 5 into 3, 15 upon 1.6 minus 18 got cancelled. Which are with the 10. Distance is 5 millimeter. Mass is 3 into 10 raised to minus 16. V is 10. 5 millimeter is 10 raised to minus 3. And charge is 1.6. 10 into 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. So when you simplify, it will become 150 upon 1.6. They have given about 10. Actually, it should be about 100. Hello?
Yeah, sir.
About 100 it will come.
It is
1.6 into 10 is 16, na?
93.75.
So that means about 100 it should come. Because answer is given about 10 volt. So one decimal they have made some error.
Answer is it 10 or is it 100?
No, it should be 100. They have given wrong.
Acha. Done, sir.
Okay, that's all. Next class we'll start with capacitor ka numerical.
So is it happening on Thursday?
Thursday. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
At what time?
Yes, yes. What time, na?
I mean, is it
1 minute, wait. 1 minute. I will just. Time we have not discussed.
no, sir?
I will check the timing and we'll communicate. Don't worry.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
Okay, bye.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.